In Western music, there are 12 musical notes. The natural notes are A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Then the accidentals are the ones in between these, and they all have two different possible names. So they're A sharp or B flat, C sharp or D flat, D sharp or E flat, F sharp or G flat, and then G sharp or A flat. We'll look at why they have two possible names in the next video, but for now just be aware that they do. Also, be really clear in your mind that these notes are exactly the same across all instruments. It's just easiest to show them on a piano. So, what is a musical note? All sounds are produced by vibrations, and fundamentally it's the speed of that vibration that determines the pitch of the sound that you hear. Pitch just means how high or low a sound is. So, if something's vibrating very slowly, then it produces a very low-pitched sound. But if something's vibrating very quickly, then it produces a higher-pitched sound. And this is basically all a musical note is. A note is a specific pitch of sound caused by a specific frequency of vibration. So, if we take this note, which is an A, it's made by the string inside of the piano, or in this case, speaker inside of a keyboard, vibrating 220 times per second, or you could say vibrating at 220 Hz. Importantly though, if you double or halve the frequency of the vibration, say if you halve it to 110 Hz, or if you double it to 440 Hz, then you get the same note, just one octave lower, or one octave higher. And the reason why we say they're an octave lower or an octave higher is because if you start on one of the A's and then you count only the natural notes, so remember that's the white keys on the keyboard, then you have to go up 8 notes until you get to the next A. So starting on A, you go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then back to A is the 8th note, so it's an octave higher. Technically speaking, these notes do have different names. This lowest A is A2, this middle A is A3, and then this top A is A4. The point being that the higher the number, the higher the pitch of sound. Normally when you're working with music, people don't use the numbers, so they just stick to the letters for each note. So typically you won't have to worry about the numbers, but if you do see them, this is all they mean. Anyway, that's everything for this video. I really hope you found it helpful. If you did, please leave me a like and a comment, it really helps out. And then in the next video, I'm going to look at what musical keys are. So what it means when you say you're in the key of C or in the key of G. Thanks very much for watching, and hopefully see you in the next one.